हाय हेलो एवरीवन। कैसे हो सब लोगों को। आज हमारा टॉपिक प्रोबेबिलिटी। प्रोबेबिलिटी इज नथिंग बट सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन बाय पॉसिबिलिटी एंड इज नथिंग बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन or is nothing but addition. Just remember these points, and multiplication or addition. Wherever selection is combination. Out of 10 we are taken 3, that means 10C3. 10C8 is nothing but 10C2. 9C2 is nothing but 9C7. 12C9 is nothing but 12C3. Okay, it's useful for all the points. Get into the topic. In a bag, 6 red balls and 4 yellow balls. We need to take 3 balls. 3 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that one is red? Is nothing but 6. In 6 red balls, we need to take 1 red. That means 6C1. And 4 yellow balls, we need to take remaining 2. 4C2. 6C1 and 4C2. And is nothing but multiplication. Divide by, out of total 10, out of 10 we need to take 3, that means 10C3. So we get the answer 6C1 and 4C2 divided by 10C3. 6C1 is nothing but 6. 4 into 3 divided by 2, all divided by 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9 and 2 1s are 2 4s are. And here 2 1s are 2 2s are. And remaining we have 3 3 will be cancelled. 2 2s are 4. 2 will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Finally we answer get 3 divided by 10. Another question. In a bag 6 red 4 yellow balls. We need to take a question. 3 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that none is red? That means none is red. That means no red. None is red. 4C3 by 10C3. 4C3 by is nothing but 10C3. Here 4C3 is nothing but 4C1 divided by 10C3. 4C1 is nothing but NC1 is nothing but N. That means same 4 divided by 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Now we get 3 1s are 3 3s are and 2 1s are 2 4s and 4 4 will be cancelled. 1 by we get answer 1 by 30. Another question. In a bag, same 6 red and 4 yellow. 4 balls are picked at random. What is the possibility that 3 are red and 1 is yellow, or 2 are red and 2 is yellow? 4 balls picked at random. 4 balls picked at random. Out of 10, we need to take 4 balls. This will total possibility. Wait, 4 balls picked at random. What is the probability? 3 are red, 1 is yellow. 3 are red. We are total 6 red. That means 6C3. And remaining, we need to pick 4. Already 3 is over. Remaining 4. 4C1. And here says that R is nothing but addition. 2 are red and 2 is yellow. 6C2, we have 6 red balls. So 6C2, out of 6 we need to take 2. And multiplication, 2 is yellow, 4C2. So if you find this answer, we get final answer. Just solve this equation. Now we get another equation. 4 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that at least one is red? At least one is red. How many balls we have? 6 red and 4 yellow. In a bag, 6 red and 4 yellow. Okay. So now we need to take 4 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that at least one is red? That means 1 minus none is red. At least one is red is nothing but 1 minus none is red. 1 minus none is red. So remaining we have 4 yellow balls. 4C4 divided by total 10C4. 1 minus 1 by 210 is nothing but 209 by 210. That will be final answer. At least one is defective. That equals to 1 minus none is defective. Same 6 yellow. In a bag 6 yellow balls and 4 red balls. 3 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that at most 2 are red? At most 2 are red. Maximum 2 minimum. Maximum to minimum is nothing but maximum to 2. At most 2 are red. That means 2 are red, or 1 is red, or none is red. Okay. At most 2 is red. We have totally 6 red balls. That means 6C2 and 4C2. We need to pick up 3, right? 6C2 and remaining is 1, and means multiplication, or 6C1 at most 2, next at most 1, 4C2 and 4C2, or none is red. That means no red balls, all are yellow balls. We have red and yellow balls in the bag, right? So we need to get all their yellow balls, or 4C3. Divided by total out of 10, we need to take 3 balls. That means the combination is 10C3. So finally we answer, if we are solving this equation, we answer is 5/6. In a bag there are 3 colors box: 6 red, 4 yellow, 2 green. 6 red, 4 yellow, 2 green. 4 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that 2 are red? That means 2 are red. 6C2 and 6C2. Why? Because 4 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that 2 balls are red? Total we have 6 red, 4 yellow, 2 green. That means 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Out of 12 we need to take 4. So 12C4. He says that what is the probability that 2 are red? 2 are red means 6 red. Out of 6 we need to take 2, 62, and we have remaining need to take out 2. Out of we have how many balls? 4 plus 2, 6. So 62 and 6C2 divided by 12C4. That answer becomes 5/11. Same in the bank. 6 red, 4 yellow, 2 green balls. What 4 balls are picked at random? What is the probability that none is green? None is green. So is nothing but total balls is 12. 6 plus 4 plus 2, 12. 12 we need to take 4. Out of 12 we need to take 4. 12C4. He says that 4 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that none is green? None is green means remaining balls we have total 2 green balls. Remaining 6 red and 4 yellow. Total 10. None is green. That means no green ball. Remaining balls are 10. 10 out of 4. Out of 10 we need to take 4. 10C4 is nothing but the answer 14 divided by 33. 6 yellow, 4 red, 2 green balls are there in the bag. 2 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that either both are red or both are green? So either both are red or green. Either both are red. That means 6C2. We have 6 red balls. That means we need to take 2 balls. So 6C2 or 2 green. We have 2 green balls. We need to pick all 2 green balls. So 2C2 divided by total 12. We need to take 2. 12C2. The answer is nothing but 8 divided by 33. Next, another question. Neither red nor green. Neither red nor green. 2 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that neither red nor green? We need to pick 2, but we did not take red or green. We have remaining 4 yellow balls. 4 yellow balls. So 4C2 divided by out of 12 we need to take 2. 12C2 is nothing but 1/11. In a bag 6 red, 4 yellow, 2 green balls are there. We need to pick 3 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that at least 1 is red? At least 1 is red is nothing but 1 minus none is red. 1 minus none is red. We have total 12 balls. In 12 out of 6 out of 12 6 red balls are there. So remaining 6 balls. 6 balls we need to take 3. 6 we need to take 3 balls. So 6 out of 6 we need to take 3. So 6C3 divided by total 12C3 is nothing but 10/11. 3 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that at most 2 are yellow? At most 2 are yellow. That means 2 yellow, 1 yellow and none yellow. 4C2. We have totally 4 yellow balls, right? 6 red, 4 yellow, 2 green balls in a bag there. We need to 3 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that at most 2 are yellow? This will be question. So maximum yellow 2. So we need to pick 3. So remaining we need to pick one more. So and remaining we have 8. 4C2 and 8C1 or 4C1 and 8C2 or 8C3. 12 divided by out of 12 we need to take 3. 12C3. So answer finally becomes 54 divided by 55. Coming to next topic and coming to next model. In a bag there are 10 white and 10 black balls. Two balls are picked at random. What is the probability of same color? If you asking like same color, just write down same color means both balls are same, either white or black, either white or black, either white and 10 white balls, either white means 10 white balls 10C2 or and 10 black balls 10C2 divided by total 20. Out we need to take 2. So out of 20 we need to take 2, 20C2. Finally we answer 19 by 9 by 19. Two balls are picked at random. In a bag there are 10 white and 10 black balls. Two balls are picked at random. What is the probability different color? Different color. Two balls need to be different color means one white different color means 10C1 and 10C1. Different color means one white and one black. We need to pick up two balls. Different color means one white ball and another one is black ball, and is nothing but multiplication. 10C1 into 10C1 divided by 20C2 is nothing but 10 divided by 19. The next model very important in the probability. Without replacement, just without replacement, a bag contain white. Without replacement, very important question. In a bag there are 5 white balls and 7 red balls and 8 black balls. A bag contains 5 white balls, 7 red balls and 8 black balls. If 4 balls are drawn one by one, if 4 balls are drawn one by one, if 4 balls are drawn by one without replacement, what is the probability getting all white balls? This type of questions do like this. All white balls. We have totally how many white balls? I have 5 white balls. We need to pick one by one. First of all, 5 out of total how many balls? We have 20. Total 20. 20C1. First one ball we need to pick. Out of 5 we need to take 1. So without replacement, and remaining we have 4 white balls. So 4C1. Out of remaining 20 we already we get a one ball are drawn. So remaining 19. 1 by 969 is the answer. Gets all this one. Two more questions related to probability. Consider a jar with 3 red, 7 purple, 2 green and 4 blue balls. If 2 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that without replacement a blue ball will be drawn twice? That means a blue ball drawn twice. 2 balls are need to two balls are drawn at random. So we need to consider totally we have 4 blue balls. First one ball 4C1 divided by 16C1, total 16. We need to take 1, and after that if in case we take without replacement, so remaining we have 3C1 divided by 15C1. Finally we answer 1 by 20. One more question. What is the probability of not drawing 2 red balls out of 3 red and 2 green balls without replacement? Not drawing 2 red balls. Just see in the question, not drawing 2 red balls. That means 1 minus drawing 2 red balls. Not drawing 2 balls means 1 minus drawing 2 red balls. 1 minus, so drawing 2 red balls means we have totally 3 red. So we need to pick 2. So 1 minus 3C2 divided by total 5. 3 plus 2, total 5. So 5C2. 1 minus 3 by 10 is nothing but 7 by 10. We get final answer 7 by 10. Thank you.